Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today we're going to do a very simple Thai dish which is usually served as a starter. We're going to make Thai fish cakes with a nice dipping sauce. So this was requested by Grant Gemma, or possibly Gemma Grant, I'm not entirely clear on that. And I probably thought I had done this because it's a very popular dish, but it turns out I haven't. So here we go. Very simple, very tasty, very Thai. So if you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. And let's go. Thai fish cakes. I'm going to make a dipping sauce at first, so that can just sit around and all the flavours develop while we get on with everything else. So for the dipping sauce, you want tablespoon of fish sauce, tablespoon of sriracha, tablespoon of sugar, some zest and a tablespoon of lime juice, some bird's eye chilies. I've got 4 red ones. You can use red ones, green ones, or a mix if you've got them. A small handful of fresh coriander and a couple of garlic cloves, or more if you like. So let's chop things up and mix that all together. Just scrape off some zest and enjoy the delicious aroma of lime. And now give it a squeeze. Not using all of it in the sauce because we need some for the fish cakes. I'll just crush the garlic cloves a bit. These are tiny. I should probably use more, but and then chop your chilies. As you probably know, I don't have a great tolerance for chili heat, so I'm not going crazy with them, but you can if you want. And chop the coriander a bit. I'll just blend the sugar and the liquid things first. Lime juice. Fish sauce. Come back later. This stuff is pure umami and it stinks. And sriracha. Right, just whiz it. Now we'll add the solid things. And whiz that as well. Give it a taste. I don't know why I'm blowing on it, it's not hot. It's chilly hot, but it's okay, I can probably live with that. So I'll set that aside until we need it. Now let's make fish cakes. Right, for the fish cakes, I'm going to make about 6. So I've got 250 grams of white fish. I've got 1 egg, 1/2 tablespoons of Thai red chili paste, a spring onion, 4 green beans, bit of coriander, a 1/4 cup of rice flour or cornstarch, corn flour, juice and zest of 1/2 a lime, and some lime leaves also, and tablespoon of fish sauce. You just saw me use the last of my fish sauce, so I'm substituting soy sauce. Oh, this fish, this is basa, by the way, which I found in the freezer. It's the cheapest, nastiest fish you can get. I'm not saying that's really what you should use, it's just what I've got. And I can't bear to eat it on its own, because so it'll be absolutely fine whizzed up into fish cakes. Slice the spring onion. Or scallion. That's a funny thing. I think in America they call them scallions. We call them spring onions, except my parents, who very much never had anything to do with America, they were Geordies, they call them scallions as well. Enlighten me in the comments below. And then the green beans, top and tail them. and thinly slice as well. And chop the coriander and the lime leaves and fish. Make sure there's no bones in it, that seems fine. Just cut it into chunks. It's going to end up as like a paste. And then get the blender going again. So in your blender jug, add the fish and the coriander and chocolate lime leaves, the egg, the red curry paste, the lime juice, lime zest, and the fish sauce or soy sauce. And then whiz it for a few minutes till you get a nice smooth paste. Now transfer it to a bowl. And now we'll stir in the rice flour. And that will thicken it up a bit. And the spring onion, which will give it some crunch and some savouriness. And I'll let that sit for a bit. So this mixture has turned out quite, well, sloppy liquid. So I added a lot more rice flour, and now I'm trying to just form it into, you know, fish cake size patties. So I'm coating them with flour to try and help them hold together. Now you want to heat a good amount of oil in a frying pan, so you know, about a centimetre, about half an inch, and then just pop the fish cakes in and cook them for 3 or 4 minutes on each side till they're beautiful and golden. And then take them out and drain them and eat them. That's it. Okay, here we go. Thai fish cakes. And hot dipping sauce, my goodness. That is warming. Yeah, can't actually taste the fish, but there's plenty of other stuff going on, so I'm not complaining. Yeah, Thai fish cakes, very good. Have a go, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.